morning. Turn that car off, I'm coming. Ugh. We're going to MyLifeasEva because I woke up this morning from a FaceTime from the water. Amir, you're gonna have to vlog. I know you're not at the bed. I woke up, Amir. Why were you sleeping on the couch? Didn't you sleep in the bed?
Well, here's the story. I woke up to Ava's alarm like 10 times. So I walked downstairs to wake her the frick up.
Your door is open.
That's okay. You're gonna have to deal with that. Okay. Because I had to deal with your alarm for about 2 hours.
No, it's gonna mess up the vlog.
For the vlog.
Yeah. It's such a good day.
I come down and all of her doors are closed.
Of course they are. I don't want you in my room.
I just laid on the couch.
Aww. Yeah, I woke up and you look so sad, no blanket, like curled into a ball. And we're gonna go swim and...
With dolphins.
There's no dolphins at one.
Oh, heck yes there are.
There are not.
There are.
We're not gonna see any.
We've seen dolphins. On three or four different occasions.
Oh, jeez.
Can we pick up a hitchhiker?
Absolutely not, no.
No, absolutely.
No, haven't you seen like all the hitchhiker movies?
Like? Elaborate.
That one.
That one.
I've been picked up before, like I was a hitchhiker.
So what if there's fellow Ava 10 years ago, just strolling down this road and really...
10 years ago, she'd be like 10 years old. I'd report her to the police. Just find her family.
You know all the Groms that hitchhike here to go surf?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's different. That's a child.
I'm sleepy. I'm ready to jump in the water.
Yeah, you are sleepy. Okay, so we're walking over and it looks like the guys have gotten out of the water. I swear to God, if they think I drove all this way, woke up this morning, did not eat breakfast, to come down here, they're insane. I got here so fast.
No, you didn't.
I literally woke up like 20 minutes ago.
Oh my God, I told you to come an hour ago and you just got here.
You did not tell me to come an hour ago. No, you didn't. No. 9:08, you called me at 8:36. So that's 25 minutes. You crazy ass! It's been 25 minutes!
Can we get a timestamp on this?
Well guys, it is now about 8:09.
You don't look very wet.
We're not wet because we didn't go in the ocean.
Yeah.
I don't know whose that is, but I'm gonna let someone else have it. Drove all this way for nothing. We're in vlog mode. Guys, I'm on top of a cliff right now. Don't be alarmed, I'm safe, I think.
Hey.
So we were supposed to adventure earlier this morning, okay? Like the whole plan was set. This whole day has just been like plans being broken.
The problem is Hawaii time.
Alex and Lou are slacking off today, so it's just Amir and I. We decided to venture off on our own because nothing was getting done, and it's such a beautiful day. Look at this background, insane. But yeah, so Amir has taken me on a hike, and now we're in this really cool spot. And that is the update.
Show them that way.
And that is that way.
Hi.
We did the hike barefoot.
Well, someone stole our shoes. By someone, I mean the chicken.
Yeah, I've officially lost my shoes, but that's okay, because who needs shoes? But yeah, we did the hike barefoot. Whoa! Death! Death! Yes.
Wings.
No. Death. Death.
Bag.
Death, death, death. That's not my bag, that's your bag. You said you were my mule.
I'm your mule. What am I, an animal?
Yes. Death! 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 Oh my God, Amir, I swear. I swear. Don't you dare. What are you doing? Boy, if you don't get your Amir, don't you drop my camera equipment. Dealing with the legal paperwork. I'm not reporting that crime.
Don't want to see how many flips I could get in?
Absolutely not.
Probably get in at least 3.
Let's go find the ocean. like this. Oh, it is pouring rain once again. Oh, 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 oh! Holy sh! And then it just stops. It straight up just stopped. Good morning, guys. It is a new day in Hawaii. I can't believe I only have like 3 days left in this place. It honestly is kind of depressing. I thought for sure I would get homesick on this trip because this is the longest time I've just been like in one place with no plan, away from home, essentially just like living. Funny thing is, I go home in like 3 days, 2 or 3 days, and I'm getting anxiety about like going back home. Like I don't want to leave. I feel like I've just moved in here. So yeah, it's gonna be sad to leave. I'm excited to see Hanalei though, and I'm excited to, honestly this place is kind of creepy at night, so excited to like not have a creepy place to sleep at night. Today I am having a photo shoot again with a new photographer. His Instagram is Exceed the Limits. His name is Amadeo. So I'm gonna head into town any minute now. I have packed all my bags over here. I just did my hair this morning. The humidity is so strong here, so it's already frizzed up as you guys can see, but just a cute look. I haven't taken many photos in this look. And then after my photo shoot, I'm just gonna stay in town because I just finished my Tokyo video. My Tokyo vlog, if you guys are watching this, is already up. That vlog took me literally ages to finish just because I wanted to make sure it was perfect. Finished it today, so I'm so excited. Most of you guys have probably already watched it, but if you haven't, watch that after this video. So after my photo shoot, I'm gonna go to Amir's house. Probably gonna get dinner with Amir and then just edit because he's editing a Tokyo video as well. So yeah, let's head on to town and let's get to shooting. This is the aftermath of doing your makeup. At some point, I'm gonna have to deal with that just Thanksgiving disgustingness. Just pay no attention to that. So I just got to Amir's house and my hair looks so wild. This is what it did after I was in the ocean. So this is it in all its glory. Ava's hair. But yeah, I'm gonna take a shower because gotta keep the curls hydrated. Good morning, guys. It is my last day in Hawaii. Oh, a gecko. Hey, little buddy. Morning, guys. It is my last day in Hawaii. So we are going to rewind to yesterday because I didn't vlog anything. I was just way too busy shooting and having fun. It's my last day in Oahu. I'm heading to the Sunrise Shack right now. So I woke up like 30 minutes ago. I wet my hair so that it's curly and nice and pretty. Put on a bikini and a sarong. I think I'm just gonna put on some sunscreen and we're gonna go out the door and meet the gang. Last day in Hawaii. Let's get popping. I really don't want to leave, guys. Last night, I had my friend Eric come over and we made vegan chicken noodle soup. Then I've got my haku. I kind of feel like I need to put some more use to this, and this is my last day, so I'm like, do I wear the haku right now? I kind of want to. Okay, I'm gonna put it on and see if it looks too extra. Okay, way too extra.
Well, I'm just a waste of energy, don't you know? I don't get together, we could wait. Vamos a la playa.
A mí me gusta bailar.
Amigo.
the beach. We're on the beach. We've got the squad. Glow sticking. Vlogception. Hi, Koa. Here, we're having a beach party. We've got a tent. We've got our towels. We've got our boards. We've got our friends. We've got our flow sticks. We've got a speaker that keeps dying. We're out here. Look at this beautiful day, guys. Look at this beauty. Got water in my ear.
Hello. Hi. I don't have my makeup on.
Okay guys, so I'm on my period right now and I'm about to go ask a boy that, has he ever had a girlfriend? No.
Has he had a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think
One?
he knows what's going on.
I'm gonna go ask a smelly surfer boy if I can change my tampon in his bathroom. We'll see how this goes! Let's go! Woo! Hey Jack! I don't know where he is, but I just saw an old woman and now I'm nervous. Jack, can I use your bathroom?
Of course.
Yay!
Hi.
Hi,
We're
Cole.
here.
Cole's a YouTuber, guys.
I know.
Go follow him.
We just put out our first 26-minute video today.
Woo!
I don't know how it's gonna go. I'm scared to look at it.
I put out a 15-minute video yesterday. Success. You know, if you need an assistant vlogger, just hit me up.
I can help you. I heard you just started.
I did just start YouTube. I know, I want you to take me out surfing, but not out here.
I think this is the only opportunity.
Even in California.
I literally can't. I was out there
we
twice.
could do a Cali thing too.
Where? Oh,
It's his
okay,
favorite
I'll go.
spot.
Yeah, we'll do that.
It
Yeah.
was like 5 a.m. They both just like shift over and they both have this like zombie look in their eyes.
What did we just
found it. Are they poisonous?
Does anyone know what this
Possibly.
So.
Oh, don't touch it!
Okay, hold on.
Pick it up. I'll take it. Hey, he's dying, bro. Let's get him back
Yeah,
in the
okay.
water.
Oh, I got it melting in and out. I was frothing.
I saw that.
You saw that one? What's his name? OJ!
That is such a cute dog.
It's whatever. I've seen cuter.
But such a. Ow! Get me off here! Oh my god! Oh, you stink like a beach. Last day at the shack. Got the squad popping off.
Yeah, we're really popping off here.
Yeah,
All
this is
tired. Can we get through our coffees first?
Got the squad slowly waking up.
I don't know. I love playing with puppies. Just got this whole other vibe to them. It's like, what is that? Don't worry. Media won't mess with you. It's not an Instagram dog.
Heard you say, meet you in the lobby.